Hello guys. Come back with me. As usual, I trade on the Quotex trading platform. For those of you who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to activate the notification bell button so you don't miss my latest video updates. In this video, I trade using the MACD indicator. Fast period 12, slow period 26, signal period 9. Just apply, guys. I will use MACD crossover technique. An example like this. Here the green line has crossed the red line. The direction is downward. That means we can trade down for 1 minute down. Okay guys, let's just start trading. Okay, here, just open the position up for 1 minute. Here I see that the green line and the red line have crossed upwards, and I immediately open an upward position for 1 minute. Okay, I profit here. Okay, I'm searching the market again. Here I see the green line will cross the red line. We will open a position 1 minute change candle. Okay, I open position now. Okay, I don't make profit here, it's okay. I enter again 3 times, open a position. Okay, I profit, guys. I'm searching the market again. Here guys, I see that the green line will cross with the red line. I will open a position in 1 minute. Okay guys, I've crossed perfectly. I open a position now. You also see this is crossed perfectly. Okay, we profit again here. Okay, here guys, we see clearly that there will be a cross again between the green line and the red line. I will open a position for 1 minute down. Okay, it doesn't turn out to be crossed. We move to another market. Here guys, this has crossed me. Just open a position for 1 minute without hesitation. And here it is also seen that the MACD bar is bigger than before and is red. I'm sure this candle will also be red. Okay, my prediction is correct and I profit again. Okay guys, until your first video this time. You want to learn? Please join my VIP group for free. I will teach you step by step, and you will also get a signal from me. You can see my description for the link. See you the next video and profit cheers.